the 30-day roadmap. First up, the timeline. You can get your first rental in just 3 to 5 weeks. It's not overnight, but it's faster than you think. Here's the game plan. Week 1 is all about business setup. Week 2 is for finding your car and creating a killer listing. Week 3 is when you'll handle your first rental, the exciting part. And Week 4 is for optimizing and getting ready to scale up. Now, here's something really important to understand. Nevada has specific legal requirements for peer-to-peer car sharing. This means you need to operate as a legitimate business. This isn't a hobby, it's a real business, and we're going to set it up the right way to protect you and your assets. This might sound intimidating, but it's actually a huge advantage. It creates a barrier to entry that keeps the market professional and profitable for serious hosts like you. While others are cutting corners, you'll be building a solid foundation for long-term success. Why a business license is your best friend. Nevada Senate Bill 226 specifically requires peer-to-peer car-sharing hosts to operate as licensed businesses. So you can either do it now, the right way, or you can do it later after you get a fine or worse. Your choice. But beyond just staying legal, there are 3 huge benefits to having a business license that nobody talks about. Benefit 1, tax deductions. Once you're operating as a legitimate business, you can deduct all your business expenses. We're talking about the cost of the car itself, depreciation, insurance premiums, maintenance and repairs, cleaning supplies, GPS trackers and dash cams, even a portion of your home office if you're managing your fleet from home. These deductions can save you thousands of dollars a year. Without a business license, you're leaving money on the table. Benefit 2, credibility. When you have a business license, you're telling the world, and more importantly, your guests, that you're a professional. You're not some random person renting out their car. You're a legitimate business owner. This matters. Guests feel more comfortable renting from a licensed business. It builds trust, and trust leads to more bookings and better reviews. Benefit 3, legal protection. Here's the big one. If you're operating as a business with an LLC and a business license, you have a legal shield between your personal assets and your business liabilities. Let's say a guest gets in an accident and decides to sue. If you're just renting out your car as an individual, they can come after your house, your savings, your personal assets. But if you're operating as a licensed business with an LLC, they can only go after the business assets. Your personal life is protected. That's huge. That's peace of mind. That's why you get a business license. So to recap, a business license isn't just a legal requirement. It's your ticket to tax deductions that save you thousands, credibility that gets you more bookings, legal protection that shields your personal assets. It takes a few hours to apply and a few $100 in fees, but it's the foundation of a real, professional, profitable Turo business. Don't skip this step. Your future self will thank you. Follow us on X, Blue Sky, and YouTube at Take the Wheel XYZ. Join the community and subscribe to the Take the Wheel newsletter for weekly data-driven Turo hosting strategies. TakeTheWheel.xyz.